Leadership and Management for School Principals, an Erasmus course in Ghent, Belgium. I arrived in Brussels on Sunday the 2nd of April and took a train from the airport to the beautiful city of Ghent. On Monday, I met my trainer and my international colleagues from Greece, Italy and Poland. Every day we started the lessons with some box breathing exercises, which made us ready to start the day. We then started the activities related to our concept of leadership, the role of a leader, leadership skills, models of good leaders, qualities and values of natural leaders, challenges, celebrating success, team discussions, and taking care of the leaders' team. After the morning session, we had a guided tour around the amazing city of Ghent. On Tuesday, we dealt with the concepts of leadership and management and focused on the differences between them. The best managers are leaders, but the two are not synonymous. Leadership is the result of action. If you act in a way that inspires, encourages, or engages others, you are a leader. All managers should be leaders. We also worked on the values in leadership and the values that drive our schools and how leaders engage their teams to commit to those values. At the end of the morning, we were able to present the educational projects of our schools, and it was my turn to present the project of my school, Francesc Ferrer, Guàrdia. After the lessons, I walked around the city of Ghent and explored many places in it. On Wednesday, we dealt with the concepts of team assessment, emotional and social intelligence, team building, and non-violent communication. In the afternoon, I continued exploring the city of Ghent. On Thursday, we talked about the benefits of active listening, delegating, coaching and mentoring, intelligence, technical skills, diligence and commitment. Difficult roads always lead to difficult destinations. In the afternoon, I visited the university building. Friday was the last training day. We evaluated the course, rounded up the acquired competencies, feedback and discussion. We organized all the information in a Padlet and talked about what we took with us home from the course. The best thing about the course is that I reinforced myself as a leader and I met wonderful leaders from other European countries. We were awarded the course certificates. And then I took the train and spent the afternoon in the city of Bruges. It was very, very cold. Saturday, I visited Brussels, and Sunday I flew back to Barcelona. It was a great Erasmus experience abroad and an amazing professional development course.